Hi friends, today I am going to discuss a very simple but important topic, that is how to transpose data from multiple sheet to a single sheet in Excel using transpose formula. Sometimes we need to switch or rotate cells, and we can do this by copying pasting using the transpose option, but it may create duplicate data or duplicate records. Before start of the session, we should know actually what is transpose. In Excel, the transpose function rotates data from rows to columns or vice versa. So let us go for it. I have here one Excel file. It contains 5 Excel sheets: round 1, round 2, round 2, round 3, round 4, and final one. Suppose in a school, in singing competitions, 6 participants are there: Mark, John, Tony, Hers, Rambo, Yanni, and 4 judges in 4 tables are there. These are the scores given by the judges to the contestants in the first round. Marx has got 2 in table 1, in table 2 3. Similarly, Yanni has got 4, 3. In the second round, similarly, these are the scores given by the judges to the participants. In third round also, these are the marks or scores given by the judges to the contesting candidates, participants. This is round 4. After completion of all the rounds, suppose we want to find out the winner of the competition. So how we'll go for it? So we'll compile all the round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4 sit in the final one. We should remember before start of the process that in transpose function, rows become columns and columns become rows. So to copy the scores from round 1, we will select 4 rows since there are 4 columns: this one, third one, fourth one. In final one, we will select 4 rows from here. Then we'll go to the formula bar. We'll write here transpose. Now we'll move to the round 1 sheet from where we want to copy the scores. Select the scores, then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now we can see all scores or data have been copied from round 1 to the final one, and columns become rows in the final one: 2 3 1 2 3 4, 2 3 1 2 3 4. This is now it is appearing as rows only in the final result sheet. Similarly, for the second round, how we'll go for it? We will select again 4 rows first. Then we'll write the transpose formula in the formula bar. Then we'll go to the round 2 sheet. We'll select the area from where we want to copy the scores in the final sheet. Then press Ctrl Shift Enter. We'll have to press Ctrl Shift Enter formula. Now this have been copied from the round 2. Similarly, we'll copy the round 3 record scores from the round 3 sheet. I'm selecting the area to copy the data from round 3. Then we'll go to the formula bar. We'll write transpose. Go to round 3. Select the scores from the round 3 sheet. Then press Ctrl Shift Enter. We can see data. The records have been copied from round 3 to final sheet. Lastly, we'll copy from round 4. We'll select the area first in the final sheet like this. Then we'll go to the formula bar, again write transpose, go to round 4, we'll select the area of data, then we'll press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now this way we have copied all the records from round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4 into the final one. From this final one we have seen that the horse has secured the highest mark, that is 52 in the competition, so he will be considered as the champion in the singing competition. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.